3A Group is back again with a new video on topic viral intestinal infections. A very good evening to my respected teacher and my dear friends. Hope you all are safe at home. I am Ravina from 3A Group 4th year and today our group will represent this topic. Let's get started. Viral intestinal infections are the second most common cause of viral illness and also is the major killer of infants which are undernourished. Rotavirus is responsible for 500,000 of deaths per year and is the most common cause of diarrheal diseases which are caused in young children and infants.
Transmission of rotavirus: fecal oral, poor hygiene, fundamental water supplies, food and fomites.
Clinical syndrome of rotavirus: childhood gastroenteritis, endemic in tropics and winter in temperature zone, outbreak, daycare centers and hospitals, immunocompromised adults. How does rotavirus cause diarrhea? Due to injury in intestinal epithelium. Due to this, malabsorption occur, increased secretion by epithelium.
Diagnosis for rotavirus: electron microscopy, small intestine stool. Next is antigen in the stool. We can find antigen in the stool with the help of ELISA test, PCR test and nucleic acid. Next is therapy for rotavirus: rehydration, ORT and intravenous, probes, lactobacillus GG, Bismuth. Next is prevention for rotavirus: natural immunity 93% protective, IgA. Next is vaccination: heterologous rotavirus, assortment rotavirus, NACTTN.
5 major groups of rotavirus have been identified on the basis of genetic relatedness and immunologic reactivity of the inner capsid protein VP6 which is present in them. Groups are A, B, C, D, E.
Enteroviruses. Enteroviruses are a genus of the picornavirus family which replicates mainly in the gut. These are the single-strand naked RNA virus with the icosahedral symmetry. Unlike rhinovirus, they are stable in acid pH. Capsid of this virus has 60 copies each of 4 proteins VP1, VP2, VP3 and VP4 arranged with the icosahedral symmetry around a positive genome. Pathogenesis of enteroviruses. The incubation period is usually 7 to 14 days. Following ingestion, the virus multiplies in the oropharyngeal and the intestinal mucosa. The lymphatic system in the particular tonsils and the Peyer's patches of the ileum are invaded and the virus enters the blood, resulting in the transient viremia.
Gastrointestinal viruses: infant rotavirus A, adenovirus 40 and 41, Coxsackie A24 virus, infant, children and adults, Norwalk virus, Colicky virus, Astrovirus and rotavirus B and Rio virus.
In the diagnosis, we can collect the throat samples, swab samples, saliva samples and also nasal discharge samples of the patient, and also we can do the serology test. And in the case of diagnosis, so we have to first give preference to rehydration therapy. We have to balance the electrolytes of the patient body by IV route, or also we can do it by the oral route.
Ecovirus, enteric cytopathic human orphan, is a group of virus that can lead to infection in the different parts of the body and causes skin rashes. This individual serotype have different temporal patterns and circulations and causes different clinical manifestations.
Laboratory diagnosis: ecovirus, isolation from fecal samples from the pharynx during the acute phase of the illness, especially in case with respiratory infection. Serological techniques: neutralization tests are generally the best serological test available. Direct detection of viral genomes, PCR assays, are becoming increasingly used.
pathogenesis of astrovirus. It is entry into the intestinal epithelium by means of endocytosis and leading to inhibition of usual absorption mechanisms and loss of secretory functions like loose waters, diarrhea, and decrease in epithelium permeability in the intestines, and inflammatory response were seen into not affected astrovirus pathogenesis.
Astrovirus diagnosis and treatment. First one is the astrovirus diagnosis. Is the various methods exist of the astrovirus and infection. Current methods and include electron microscopy, cell structure immunosuppressive, and PCR are the various other molecules appreciated that can be applied in the content of the diagnostic. And second one is the treatment. There are currently in the antibiotics and the treatment to target with the astrovirus infection to prevent them the structure of the molecules and itself how the antibodies work to the virus in the healthy adults.
Coxsackie virus. Coxsackie virus are part of enterovirus family of viruses, which also include poliovirus and hepatitis A virus that live in human digestive tract. They can spread from person to person, usually on unwashed hand and surface contaminated by feces, where they can live for several days. Pathophysiology of Coxsackie virus. Coxsackie virus are transmitted primarily via fecal-oral route and respiratory aerosols. Although transmission via fomites is possible, the virus initially replicate in upper respiratory tract and distal small bowel. They have been found in respiratory tract up to 3 weeks and after initial infection in feces up to 8 weeks.
Treatment. They based on a symptom of patient. They give antibody acetaminophen, may be give to relieve a minor arch and pain. Diagnosis. They based on a physical and the history examination. The stool test, lab test, serum antibody deductive test, and PCR method.
Non-specific factors like improved hygiene, education, clean water, and specific are breast feeding help to provide passive immunity in the newborn, like from maternal antibodies. Vaccinations is still experimental.